Tell me, why are we learning about these number systems?
To measure the speed of devices like RAM, CPU. Okay.
No. Why are we learning about these number systems? What's the reason for that?
How communicating human and electronic devices.
Yes, it's a really nice answer. Why did you say that answer?
Because electronic devices have AI or artificial intelligence. They are communicating with several number systems with human.
Are they communicating with several number systems? Yes. Yeah, they are communicating with several number systems. Okay. Oh, Matisha කියන්න.
Nothing, sir.
නෑ කියන්න. බෑ මට උත්තර ඕන දැන්. මොකද this is grade 9. This is grade 9. Now we can't play. ඔන්න දැන් නැගිටලා තියෙන්නේ.
නෑ සර් නංගිකගේ හුවේ එක.
දැන් ඒ පාර නංගිට ගහන්න එපා. Right. Why are we learning about these number systems?
To communicating with computers or electronic devices.
Yes. It is one possible answer. Any other answers? Desandi, Naomi, and Matish.
තව ප්‍රශ්න කියන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Oh, Desandi?
For day-to-day uses.
For day-to-day users. Hi. Matisha, yes, you asked the question. Why are we learning about the number systems?
පොළවලට
නෑ. A level වලට.
To executing tasks of human by the electronic devices.
to learning about computer process working process.
Both of your answers are
To measure the working process of the
නෑ. මට තව උත්තරයක් ආවා. නවමිගේ මොකද්ද මේ? Yes. Desandi, what is your answer? ඇයි අපි මේ number systems ගැන ඉගෙන ගන්න? In computing, why are we learning about number systems? It's very simple answer because computer is using binaries or bits for its executing tasks. When computer is performing with the binaries, it is using the other number systems too, right? While that the particular number systems instead of binaries are converting to binaries when performing the computing tasks. Computer is using binaries for its execution tasks because binaries is the language of machineries, electronic machineries. right? So when computer is performing the task with binaries, it is using the other number systems at the same time for some kinds of purposes. Therefore, we need to learn about all the numbering systems. The reason is, when computer is using each and every number systems instead of binaries, those particular number systems to be converted to the binaries. That is the reason for learning about numbering systems in computing. Then තේරුණා? Yes, Sandeep?
Yes, sir.
Naomi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Again, tell me, what is the usual numbering system uses in our real world?
Decimal.
Decimal.
Hexadecimal.
Right. Huh? Who told hexadecimal?
Yeah.
Huh?
Hmm?
Who told hexadecimal?
Hexadecimal means A, B, C, D, F, G, E, F also.
Hexadecimal අපි usually use කරන්නේ නැහැ. අපි usually use කරන්නේ in our usual works, our day-to-day works, we are using decimals. මොන දැන් මම මේ
0,
ඔක්කොම
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
ඔව් ඔක්කොම මම ආපහු දෙනවා ලියන්න.
Sir,
yes. ඔව් පුතා.
එතකොට sir මේ number systems වලට
ආ?
මේ decimal වි octal වි hexadecimal විතරයි use කරන්නේ වෙනම
මොනවද
නැද්ද?
මොකද්ද පුතා?
දැන් communicate කරනකොට මේ devices ඒවත් එක්ක දැන් major one එක binary නේ.
ඔව්.
ඒතර දැන්
මේජර් 1 එක
තව-
කියන්නේ මෙහෙමයි. කම්පියුටරේ ඇතුලේ පාවිච්චි වෙන්නේ binary. හරිද? එයා කොහොමත් ඒක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැනේ. It's never changed.
එතකොට sir computer විතරද binary තියෙන්නේ නැහනේ.
කම්පියුටරේ විතරක් නෙවෙයි. අයි මං ඉලෙක්ට්‍රොනික ඩිවයිස් ගැන කතා කරද්දි කිව්වනේ ඉලෙක්ට්‍රොනික ඩිවයිස් හැම එකකම එයා ඒගොල්ලෝ කම්පෝනන්ට්ස් අතර කමියුනිකේට් කරන්නේ කොහොමද? binary වලින්. bits වලින්.
එතකොට sir මේ decimal octal hexadecimal විතරද තියෙන්නේ මේ අර
ඔව්.
use කරන.
Oh, in computing, those are the major numbering systems which uses to performing the execution tasks. මේ hexadecimal, decimal and octal තමයි binary ඇරුණාම කම්පියුටර් එකේ වැඩ කටයුතු වලට එයා පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ. හැබැයි ඒවත් එයා කම්පියුටර් එක ඇතුළට ගන්නකොටම මොකද්ද කරන්නේ? චේන්ජ් කරගන්නවා බයිනරි වලට. Understood that?
Yes sir.
Right. Desandi, it's clear to you the way?
Yes sir.
Naomi?
Yes sir.
Right. So have we write down the topic as numbering systems? Have we written down a topic as numbering systems?
Number systems that uses inside the computer clearly.
Right. Very good. Then put today's date first. Among the above number systems, write down. Write down this. Among the above mentioned number systems, among the above mentioned number systems, decimal number system, write down this. Among the above mentioned number systems, decimal number system is the most preferred